Hey y'all, we're on our way to our Azure haul. It's me, Dad, Matthew, and John, Sam, and there's Joshua. Alright, stick around, we're going to show you guys what we got. Alright, we're back, and here's the whole order. So to start, we have here 10 pounds of mangoes.
$21.95.
$21.95, $2.20 a pound. Let's see what's in here. Looks like, oh, cherries. I don't remember how many pounds. Bing cherries?
We should have 2 boxes of those.
2 boxes.
Another box of the Bing cherries?
Bing cherries. All right, there's another box back there. He's gonna get it. How many pounds is that total?
18 pounds each.
18 pounds each box. And that is $32.90 a box.
Yep.
$1.83 a pound. Oh, there's the other box. They look good. Here is 18 1-pound boxes of the Mother's Choice salted butter, RBST free. How much was that? That was $65.24, $3.62 a pound. All right, and these are Azure Market's chocolate chips, a 5-pound bag, and these are sweetened with coconut sugar for $37.28, $7.46 a pound. Fruit and veggie variety pack, but you're not allowed to see what's inside unless you watch the short that I will leave in a link in the cards above. It was $42. All right, so we did get some cheese, but we also ordered cheddar and pepper jack, and that did not come. But to show you what we did get, this is Landmark's Swiss cheese. These must be 8-ounce packages, and there's 10 of those for $34.52, $6.90 a pound. All right, and here's the other 2 cheeses that came. Our Calico Monterey Jack and Colby cheese. This is how big is this? 5 pounds for $34, $6.07 a pound. And we have the North Beach mozzarella. It's a 6-pound block for $23.51, $3.92 a pound. And of course, the August sales flyer. This month we did get our buttermilk ranch dressing. I think there's 2 packets in here. There they are. And they were $6.51 each. And those are 1-pound packages. And this is something new that we haven't tried yet. This is Chipotle mayo. 11 1/4 ounces. You got 3 of those for $19.44 each. No, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it came as a 3-pack.
Okay, it came as a 3-pack, so it was $19.44 for all 3, $6.48 each. And this is Bubby's prepared horseradish. It came as a pack of 3 for $9.88, $3.29 each. And we got 3 of the St. Clair's tummy soothers. They really work really well for motion sickness. They were $9.77, $3.25 each. And this is for Dad and his yogurt, the Azure Market KK Nibs roll. That's a pound bag for $6.88. And this is the Herbucha Detox Ginger Kombucha for $24.79, $12.40 each. So we tried this French onion dip last month and we really liked it. So we got 3 more for $5.41, $1.80 each. And of course, a 40-pound box of Gala apples for $56.75, $1.42 a pound.
Way cheaper than Costco and so much better.
Yeah, they do taste way better than Costco's apples. And these Fuji apples, this is also a 40-pound box for $54.75, $1.37 each. And this is Rainier cherries, 18 pounds for $49.95, $2.77 a pound. They do look good. And we got, is this also a 40-pound box of pears?
The pears, yes, 40 pounds.
40 pounds for $57.25, $1.43 a pound. And back there we have this bag right there is alfalfa pellets, 40 pounds. And that was $29.94, 75 cents a pound. The cows really like that. And this time we're going to try something new. We got them some barley to try. And that was a 45-pound bag for $23.58, 52 cents a pound. Alright, so total with shipping minus Azure cash was $723.88. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share. We'll see you soon. Bye.